Front-end loader operator training in South Africa. Tractor loader backhoe operator training in South Africa. Excavator operator training in South Africa. Tower cranes operator training in South Africa. Mobile cranes operator training in South Africa. Overhead crane operator training in South Africa. Reach truck operator training in South Africa. O.H.S.com. Hascom operator training in South Africa. First aid moderator course, assessor course, driver's license, CO and ARCH. Welding, forklift, dump truck, bobcat and all mining machines. We offer job assistance after training, free accommodation. We are in Germiston, Polokwane, Cape Town, Pretoria, Johannesburg, Witbank. Call us on +2773 158 2436. Mulani Operators and Welding Training School +2773 158 2436. South Africa. Excavator, TLB, grader, mobile crane, dump truck, front-end loader, roller, overhead crane, and welding courses, boiler making, plumbing, carpentry, blasting and drilling. Great training plus job assistance after training equals great special. Prices on mining and construction machinery training have been reduced. Plus 27,731,582,436. Price list 2015 minus 2016 mining and construction machines. Call /WhatsApp plus 27,731,582,436 for booking courses. Duration fees. LHD Scoop 2 weeks training. Grader 2 weeks training. Excavator 2 weeks training. TLB -7-10 days training. Front-end loader 2 weeks training. Bobcat 2 weeks training. Dump trucks 2 weeks training. Bulldozers 2 weeks training. Drilling rigger 4 weeks training. Compactor 3 weeks training. Road roller -1 weeks training. Scrapper 2 weeks training. Lifting machines and cranes 0731 58 2436. Mobile crane -2 weeks training. Tower cranes -2 weeks training. Overhead cranes 2 weeks training. Telescopic lifting -2 weeks training. Forklift -1 weeks training. Rigging rigger -2 weeks training. Container handling 2 weeks training. Welding. Call +27731 582 436 for booking courses. Duration fees. Arc welding 4 weeks. CO2 welding 4 weeks. Argon welding 4 weeks. Gas welding 4 weeks. Steel welding 2 weeks. Aluminum welding 4 weeks. Trade test 4 weeks. Gas cutting 2 weeks. Boiler making 4 weeks. MIG 4 weeks. TIG 4 weeks. Spot 4 weeks. Fillet 4 weeks. Call US +2773 158 2436 or WhatsApp 0731 582 436 for booking other courses. Hairdressing course 1 month training. Plumbing course 1 month training. Electrical installation 1 month training. Diesel mechanic 2 month training. Blasting course 1 month training. Carpentry 1 month training. Come join Mulani Operators Training School today. We will be very glad to have you as part of our winning family and we look forward to giving you the best skills you are looking for. You can WhatsApp or call or text to cell +27731 582 436.